Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream vanilla easy guide. Whisk heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla until soft peaks form and chill. Start by measuring ingredients precisely, chill tools, and add vanilla slowly to preserve texture. I explain peak stages, how to sweeten without overdoing it, and simple fixes for split cream so you can serve smooth, creamy vanilla on desserts and drinks. Gather cold, heavy cream, granulated or powdered sugar, and pure vanilla extract or paste, plus a chilled metal bowl and whisk. Measure cream and sweetener, then taste a small dollop to adjust sweetness before whipping. Keep tools cold to speed whipping and stabilize peaks, and choose vanilla paste for flex or extract for smooth flavor. These preparations make the whipping process predictable and improve final texture and taste. Pour cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl, add sugar and vanilla, and begin whisking at medium speed. Watch for soft peaks where tips hold briefly, then stop and taste for sweetness and aroma. If you need stiffer peaks, whisk in short bursts while monitoring texture to avoid overbeating. Once perfect, chill the cream for a few minutes to set, then spoon or pipe onto desserts for a silky finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.